Students, today we are going to discuss on the topic guarantee of profit to a partner. This is another subtopic under the second chapter itself. So, guarantee is an assurance given to the new partner of the firm that at least a fixed amount shall be given by all the old partners in a certain ratio or by any of the partners individually to the new partner. So, guarantee is nothing but an assurance given to the new partner by the old partners, saying that we will give you a fixed amount. Now, this fixed amount shall be given by all the old partners in a certain ratio, or it will be given by any of the old partner individually. Any one old partner will give to the new partner. Secondly, the minimum guaranteed amount shall be paid to such new partner when his share of profit as per the profit sharing ratio is less than the guaranteed amount. So, suppose if the fixed amount that is guaranteed to the new partner is running short, it is a small amount, then the old partners will pay to the new partner in the profit sharing ratio. So let us work out problems under guarantee of profit to a partner. Question number 1. Sachin and Rahul are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Dhoni for 1/6 share in profit and guaranteed that his share of profit will not be less than rupees 25,000. Total profits of the firm were rupees 90,000. Calculate share of profits for each partner when the guarantee is given by a firm. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. The question says Sachin and Rahul are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Dhoni is admitted for 1/6 share. He has been guaranteed with a share of profit which is not less than 25,000. Total profit of the firm is 90,000. So we need to calculate profit for each partner. So how many partners we have? 3 partners. Their profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. 1/6 share is for Dhoni. Rahul's share is 2/6. Sachin's share is 1/6. It is a very simple mathematics. I have done 3 plus 2 plus 1 which is equal to 6. Now 90,000 should be shared. The question says calculate share of each partner. So for each partner we need to give the share. So Sachin share is 3/6. Rahul will get 2/6. Dhoni should get 1/6. So 90,000 into 1/6. The reason is Dhoni is coming into the business, that will be equal to rupees 15,000. But actual guarantee of profit is rupees 25,000. But he has received only 15,000. So 25,000 minus 15,000, we will get an amount of rupees 10,000. Now this 10,000 should be shared by Sachin and Rahul. In what ratio they will share? That they have to share in the ratio 3:2. So 10,000 will be shared by Sachin and Rahul in profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Let's work out the problem. Profit and loss appropriation account. Debit side we will record expenses and losses. Credit side incomes and gains. I have done 2 amount columns on the debit side. Inner column and outer column. Let's do the first posting. Profit and loss account. The net profit of the firm is rupees 90,000, and this 90,000 should be shared between three partners. So on the debit side we will write it as two partners capital account. The first partner is Sachin and his share is 3 by 6. So 90,000 into 3 by 6 is rupees 45,000. The second partner is Rahul. Rahul will get 2/6 of the share in 90,000. The amount is 30,000. And the third partner is Dhoni. Dhoni should share is 1 by 6 and the amount is rupees 15,000. So I have written all the amounts in the inner column. Now if you observe, he is getting only 15,000. There is a shortage of 10,000. So who should give? Sachin and Rahul. In what ratio? In their old profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. So 3 by 5 Sachin will give, 2 by 5 Rahul will give. So less share in deficiency. So why less share in deficiency is because 10,000 into 3 by 5 amount is rupees 6,000. So out of 45,000, 6,000 is paid to the new partner, that is Dhoni. So the amount is rupees 39,000. Rahul should give, his share of deficiency will be 10,000 into 2 by 5. Amount is rupees 4,000. Okay, so 30,000 minus 4,000, it is 26,000. The reason is because they have to cover up Dhoni's share. Now Dhoni will receive. Now what you are going to do? Add deficiency received from Sachin. What are the amounts he is going to receive? From Sachin he will receive 6,000. From Rahul he will receive an amount of rupees 4,000. Where did we get this amount from? From this particular calculation, 6,000 and 4,000. So now the total amount of Dhoni we need to calculate. 15,000 plus 6,000 plus 4,000. The final amount is rupees 25,000. Now take the total of the outer column. 39,000 plus 26,000 plus 25,000. We will get a balance of rupees 90,000, which is written on both the sides. So this is how we calculate problems under guarantee of profit to a partner. Thank you.